Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Manoj and today is our first session of our tutorial and our tutorial name is DevOps. In this particular session we are going to see only the prerequisite of this course and actually who should do this course. Okay guys, so let me open Notepad. This is our topic name, DevOps, and which are the job profiles that should be benefited from this course. They should do this course. The job profiles having like Java developers, like system admins, DevOps engineers. So these are the three profiles that would be benefited from this course. Okay guys, and what are the prerequisites of this course? What are the prerequisites? First prerequisite, that would be the Linux commands. Okay guys, so you should have very hands-on experience in Linux commands. Okay guys, so because in the DevOps you're going to see various subtopics that will be the Git, GitHub, Ansible, Jenkins, Docker. These are the subtopics of the DevOps. So in that topic we are going to fire the Linux commands. Okay, so you should have very hands-on experience in this, and then only you will be comfortable with the DevOps. The second prerequisite I can say is the networking. You should have a decent knowledge in the networking also. You should have idea about the IP addresses. What is IP address, what is the DNS, how the DNS actually works, what is DHCP, what is static IP address, what is gateway, what is subnet mask, what are the port numbers, which are the port numbers specific to which protocol. This kinds of knowledge you should have, because in the DevOps we have one topic, that is Docker. In that Docker we have networking part. So in that networking part is there, so you should have a fair idea about the networking. Okay guys, so third you can see is the repositories. You might have heard this word before also. What are the repositories? The repositories are basically there in the Linux. Now, what are the repositories? You should have idea about that. Fourth thing I can say is the virtualization. Okay guys, because you should have idea about this also, virtualization, because in the DevOps we have one topic, that is the Docker. So Docker is based on a concept that is called the containerization. This is a concept of Docker. So before containerization you should have idea about the virtualization, because the concept is very much similar. So you should have idea about the virtualization also. Okay, fifth prerequisite would be the plugins. What are the plugins? You should have idea about this. Sixth prerequisite I can say is port numbers. You should have idea about this also. What are the port numbers and which port number is associated with which protocol. Okay guys, so these are the sum of the prerequisite of this course. So in the next session what we are going to see is, you're going to see what is DevOps and the introduction in the DevOps, and these would be the subtopics of our DevOps. First topic we are going to see in the DevOps, and it would be the Git. Second topic we are going to see is the GitHub. Third topic would be the Jenkins. Fourth topic we are going to see is the Docker. Fifth topic we are going to see is the Ansible. Sixth topic we are going to see is the Nagios. Okay guys, so these are the some of the tools in the DevOps which are very much famous in the market. Okay guys, so these are the subtopics in the DevOps we are going to see. So in the next lecture we will start in the introduction with the DevOps. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Thank you.